Some people have asked me whether or not it's worthwhile attending our seminars or workshops if they already have a lawyer. And my answer to that is pretty simple. It's worthwhile attending anything you can attend that will help you understand the process that you're in. And sometimes when you delegate 100% of the responsibility for your life to someone else without really understanding what it is that person is doing for you, the results aren't necessarily as good as you might like them to be. So it's a really good idea, even if you already have a lawyer, to come to our seminars at least, and usually the workshop as well. But what happens in many of these seminars that people attend who have lawyers is that they ask questions to clarify things that are going on in their proceedings that haven't been fully explained to them by their own lawyer. And it helps them understand the steps that are being taken, but it also helps them understand if the steps that are being taken are really in their best interests. Because just as with every profession and every business and every trade that you might hire, there are people in them at different skill levels and different levels of capability and competence. And I don't personally think that lawyers are any different. So a lot of people also hire lawyers to conduct family law litigation who don't actually spend their entire time in family law. They may dabble in it, and it's not an area that you can really dabble in. So if you have someone who's practicing real estate law and corporate law and decides they want to take the odd family law case, you may not be getting the greatest representation in the world, but you're not going to know that. You're going to wonder why things aren't going your way, but you're not going to know why they're not going your way. And if you come to our seminars, when you have the opportunity to ask specific questions about your own situation, you may find that the advice you're given at our seminar is different than the advice that you're being given elsewhere. That doesn't necessarily mean that our advice is better than the advice you're getting. It may just be different. It may be a different approach. It may be a different strategy. It doesn't necessarily mean you're getting bad advice from your own lawyer, but it may mean that your lawyer hasn't thought of something that we may be able to think about, that a road you can go down or a strategy that you can use, and you are well served to avail yourself of that opportunity. And again, it's a very, very inexpensive seminar to attend, and the value for the money is huge. And if you want to see what some of the people who have been at these seminars think about them, then I urge you to go to our website, divorceadviceontario.com, and look at some of the testimonials, because those people, or many of those people, describe the seminars and what they've gotten out of them.